Changkat Asa, Tanjung Malim. The trailhead starts at Tanjung Malim KTM. So we parked our car by the road and we walk in from there. We have to cross a couple of bridges before we start our ascent. This is the last bridge, and the view here is really surprisingly amazing. In the morning when the sun has already risen, but yet we still see some colors in the sky, and the broad river underneath this bridge. We hiked to a short distance of narrow path and passing an area with rubber trees. We finally got to this area with pokok Gelam Merah, and this is where a lot of people call the magical red forest. We extended our hike to find this cave that's hidden behind this big piece of rock. So overall, Bukit Changkat Asa was a pleasant and easy hike